I don't know what these are. They're flying over the house every 2 minutes. They're little yellow lights. They get a little bit down a ways from us, and then they make a loop and go back around, and they just keep doing it continuously, one after another. I've seen at least 3 different ones. Like I said, they keep going one after another.
I'm gonna go pee real fast.
They're yellow lights.
Other one.
They're all around us, watching me. I can't barely stand up. This one's at my back door. I don't know who's doing this or who's watching us, but somebody is. I don't know what it is. Is it a UFO or is it a drone? It's remarkable. Wow. Desperados. Where's the other one at? There's at least 3 of them out here. It's just sitting there. It's just sitting there. I can't even get it on the video camera, barely.